What we're going to be doing today is going to be based upon how we're going to expand some of the things that we've done so far. So you've been using the pen tool, you've been using the shape tool, here's your pen tool, there are various shape tools inside of here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to build on that so that you can kind of go next level. Some of you guys have started using some like gradations of colors where you can get some things to fade together. But now what I want you to do is I want you to understand how you can kind of customize that, okay? So you'll see that I've got my shape. And there's this guy right here, and he is called the mesh tool. You want to make sure that you click on that mesh tool. It looks kind of like a wavy, almost like a graph or a grid, okay? When I go in that mesh tool, what I'm going to start off with is I'm going to start off perhaps with a base color. Let's say I just go ahead with blue, okay? When I click on that mesh tool, I'm going to, oops, there we go. I'm going to come in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here in the middle, sort of off to the left-hand side. I'm going to go ahead and on this line, I'm going to click one more time. And I want you to notice the difference. The first time I clicked, it created a grid up and down and left and right. When I click over here on the line, I'm just going to get a singular vertical one. Okay? Now if I click right here on this line, I'm going to get a horizontal. And again, when I click over here, I would get another horizontal. If I click right here, where there's nothing, I'm not clicking on any line, I'm going to get both a vertical and a horizontal. So kind of get that in your head. If I click in an empty spot, it's going to give me a vertical and a horizontal. If I click on a line that's existing, it's only going to give me one in its opposite direction. Okay? So at this point in time, what you need to do is you need to be familiar with that a little bit. So you can see that mine has sort of curved in the shape of my object. In this case, it's a circle. And yours is pretty much going to do the same. Now, editing. We're going to go into your direct selection tool, and that's what you're going to be using to edit some of these points. So if something's not quite right, or if you added something in the wrong place, we can start to kind of manipulate and move them. I'm going to activate it first by clicking on it, and then I'm going to go ahead and maybe move that up a little bit. Again, click one time to activate, and then one time clicking and dragging to hold that up, and that can kind of fix that dimension in there. You also have, very much like when you guys are drawing with a pencil, you have handles. So those handles you can actually take and you can move that line around. Notice mine quickly disappears like that. What you might not be seeing on my keyboard, I'm hitting Control-Z. Control-Z will be one of your best friends for all of your projects. Like, they are right next to you the entire time. Control-Z will undo your action. So it will undo the last action, and it will keep undoing it if I press Control-Z again. So you definitely want to make sure. You can also go up in here, you can shift Control-Z to redo, so you can see where we are right here. So we're adding mesh points. So I'm going to shift Control-Z once. There's that one I did. Shift Control-Z again, and that's where I had it. Okay? So at this stage, what I want to do is I want to start pulling in some color. Okay? So I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to double click here. Let's say I want to darken it up a little bit in that area. I'm going to go ahead and say OK, and you'll see that that's the color that has been dropped into that area. I can click in here. I can go ahead in here, double click. I'm going to drop that down to that darker area. I'm going to continue to pull that down. And then I'm going to click on that anchor point. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click down here. And I'm going to go ahead and then give myself a little bit of shadowing on that left-hand side. Okay? So that's really what it's looking like right now. Now, you can also click on these end points over here. So this anchor point right there, I might come in with a brighter highlight over there. You can see I'm getting a little bit of that peeking through here. I can go ahead and I can alter that a little bit by working with these handles and actually stretching it out to get that value to come out. What is that looking like? That's what it's looking like right now. Okay? I can come over here and I can continue to add to that bit of brightness. Double click. I'm going to go ahead and pick that brighter value. Really want that highlight to come in there. That's another anchor point. If it's an anchor point, I can add another value in there. Okay? So that's how I'm getting that to kind of come alive. I would probably come over here and give it a maybe an even deeper tone right at that edge point. Let's drop that down to here, and then maybe in this bottom area. And don't forget right now, of course I'm making it look really easy. You definitely want to make sure you remember Control Z. That will totally be one of your best friends. Okay, I'm going to come in here. I'm just going to go ahead and give it maybe slightly lighter because that's sort of in the transition area. And that's where I'm at right now. Of course, I might end up coming in here and adding a little bit more, coming in here and rounding that out a little bit. But don't forget, you can also grab the handle and kind of mess around with that a little bit and kind of just adjust where that value is going. So this is how you guys can actually add dimension into an object. So this is the mesh tool. Now, of course, after this, I want you to push yourself to a level 2, which is trying to utilize different colors now. So you're going to have the same idea. You're going to go ahead, and I'm just going to go ahead and select this. And I'm going to paste one next to it. You can go ahead and just draw one again really quick. I'm going to come in there, and I might actually come in there and fill it with a whole nother color. Okay, well, really different color. Okay, and then you can start to add in an isolated, sorry. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and start selecting again, direct selection tool. You can kind of see what happens as we start adding other values into this, okay? I also kind of want you to mess around with the idea of adding more mesh points in. See how that one went kind of funky? You're going to need to fix that one up if you don't like what's happening. If you have a lot of mesh points, you're going to see that there's going to be some changes to your work. Perhaps it's not as smooth as this original one was with only 3 horizontal and 2 vertical. So I want you to kind of mess around with it and give me 2 versions. One that's as perfect of a sphere as you can get, so it's like really dimensional. And the second, I just want to see that you've messed around with the tool. Add more grid lines, try some different colors. Don't forget you're going to use the direct selection tool. I can double click, and that's especially important when I want to get values in the same family, but you can also go really quick right here. Like if you really want to toss in, you can move that guy down if he's in the way. If I really want to toss in now, to get really fancy, I believe I can hold the shift key while I'm taking all those points. If you notice that, I just hold the shift key. I have all of those picked, and I'm going to go ahead to that yellow, and you can see that that yellow filled up all of them. So again, those are different tools and techniques for using this mesh tool that I'm hoping to see that you guys are going to be utilizing as we're moving forward with our next project, where we're getting really close to CUA time for typography. And that's where we are today.